crochet. This morning I'm going to show you how to change your needle out of your Midi machine. Before you start, don't have the electric source to the machine, unplug it. Because you need as much space as possible, if you have an adjustable foot, take that off as well. It just gives you more space. Now before I go any further, if there's any wobble on the video, I apologise. I'm not using my normal stand because I want you to be able to see as close as possible. And it's being propped up very precariously. Right, so if you broke it, when I had broke mine, it did break off and the point with the thread was just hanging. So it's the same principle if that happens. You would get rid of the broken piece, but today I'm just going to do it as if I'm changing the needle size. So get rid of your thread, the top thread, out the way. I've took the foot off, so just give me more room. Now off camera, you see this little nut? I did this off camera to try and make this as smooth as possible. It's a good job I wasn't filming. It took me 15 minutes to get all this back on. This, I don't know what my previous machine was like because I didn't have this issue, but this nut, if you unwind it too much, it comes off, and there's a little nut just in there because the shaft of that nut goes through to this bar here that holds the needle. This light shaft, it holds the needle in. When you're replacing your needle, the flat side goes to the back. Just in case you take it out and you didn't remember, the rounded part goes to the front to facing you, and the flat part faces away from you. Just in case you take it out and you have forgotten. So to take this out, you need to take it back up, hold your needle, take it back down, and then under the screw only a little ways, and you can feel the needle coming out, and that's as simple as it is. There you go. As I said, there's a flat side and a rounded side to sewing machine needles. The flat side goes to the back, faces away from you. So to put it back in, or to put a new one in should I say, take that, where the needle goes, take that shaft up as high as you can. Keep hold of your needle, and most of that, let me just show you. Most of the thick part of the needle goes into this shaft. So push it up as far as it'll go, and then this little fiddling nut. Now when I had a bigger machine, the said nut wasn't as fiddly, should I say. And that's well in now. I don't remember on the bigger machine I had. I think this may have been fused onto the shaft, so you didn't have the problem of when you unscrewed to get your new needle in, take the old one out, put the new one in. It wasn't this rickety. It's solid now, but as soon as you undo this, you'll feel it. It's everything comes loose. But remember not to do it too far, and you turn towards yourself. And only do it a little bit, and then keep hold of your needle, and then it'll come out. But give yourself as much room as possible. And then you can put your foot back on. This is a great feature of this Midi machine. I have featured it before. So I can take the foot off and put, say, a zipper foot on with ease. the one I have upstairs, which has featured on previous videos, is you unscrew it, which is a pain in the bottom. You have to go find a screwdriver then, whereas this, it's brilliant, I love it. And I got this at a bargain price as well. I mean, they're not expensive. I'm in the UK and I paid, I think, £29 for this. I think they're about 34, 36 pounds, something like that, when they bring them out new at Aldi. This is from Aldi's, this machine. You can get them at Hobbycraft, and I think they're a little bit dearer, I'm not sure. Some have colours on, this one's just pure white. I thought I would just show you today how to change your needle. If it's broken, don't panic. Make sure you've turned the electricity off, as I said, and then go to change your needle, because usually the pointy bit, like I said, is usually still attached. That's what mine was when I had a break years ago, fortunately. Now if the point breaks off at a point and it vanishes in the machine, I'm sorry, I can't help you there. That's never happened to me. But I presume if you find a magnet, hopefully the little broken off point will jump to the magnet, or if you carefully take this plate off, you may be able to find your broken part. Hopefully that won't happen, and as you can see, I've forgotten to do that bit there. That slides in, the thread slides into there. But anyway, it doesn't matter today because I'm not going to use it. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you've how you find changing your needle, if it's broken, if you've ever had a broken needle, and how you found changing it. This channel is generally for crochet. I do like sewing. I don't often do sewing. Crochet is the main theme of this channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like the video. Also, if you subscribe to my channel and I believe you turn on the bell notification, you will then be notified when future video comes up. I don't have set days to upload a video. I'm also designing at the moment, something behind the scenes with crochet, blankets mainly. I love doing blankets. If you head over to my Instagram account, same name, Planet Crochet, you'll see most of my makes on there. You would be able to buy a pattern. I have done some patterns of my own. I put them on my Etsy store. You can go over to my Etsy. I will leave a link below for that, so you can go and have a go at crochet. I have tutorials on the stitches of crochet. Once you've done stitches of crochet, then you'll be able to build up and do other things. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you're having a nice day wherever you are in the world. At the moment in Yorkshire, it's not too bad. It seems bright. The clouds have come over. It was lovely this morning. It's warm, but it's not as sunny as it has been. Anyway, I'll catch you again on another video. Bye for now.